All right, my people, we're gonna do an unboxing of this amp. We got the JP1.2Z3. Yeah, this is the 1200 watt amp, and it does it at 4, 2, and 1 ohm. So, yeah, we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this thing, man. And I got it in red. Yeah, let's see here. Ooh-wee, look at that. I love the box, man. See how that box looks? That's a beautiful box, man. That's wow. Just want you to see that real quick here, man. We do an unboxing here. Okay, let me see here. All right, got it open. First thing you see is the manual. Right on the top, the manual. Look at that, the manual. That right there, and there's the amp right there. Woo-wee, look at that thing. Look how small this thing is, man. Exactly what I needed. Yeah, small little thing, huh? Yeah. All right, yeah, everything's off the box, and this is the amp right here. You get a cable, you get some Allen wrenches, and then you get the bass knob. You check out the bass knob, man. Look at that. Ooh, look at that bass knob. It matches, look exactly like the amp, man. Look at that bass knob. Man, Down for Sound, they have some bass knobs, man. Yeah. See if I can get it out. Look at that thing, man. Look at that bass knob, man. Yeah, let me put it right up. Sorry. Voltmeter, temperature, clip, power. Yeah. It's a nice bass knob, man. Sharp. All right, I just did the amp, and look at this thing. This thing is a beauty. Look at this thing, man. And you see the corners, and okay, looks like a 4 gauge and 8 gauge. So gonna have to use some zero reducers. This is 1200 watts, and I think it's not gonna cut it. So we have to probably use some reducers on that thing. And then turn around the other side, and yeah, you got all your adjustments, your inputs, gain, subsonic, bass boost, low pass filter, and you can output slave, so you can strap these together, huh? Yeah. And then if you look at the bottom, oh my goodness, that's what I love about these Down for Sound amps, man. You see the guts of this thing, man. Look at that thing. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Down for Sound amp, huh? Yeah, I like this. Yeah. Looks like it's not going to be so bad. All right, my people. It's a little windy out here, but did the big 3 to the Corvette. Yeah. Big 3. We never had the big 3 before, and we went on ahead and did the big 3. Go around there, and then go there, and all that together. Yeah, the big 3, baby. Big 3 to the vet. Yeah. Give it the max out of this alternator. Yeah, I mean, could get a big alternator. They really don't make alternators for the vet, not bigger ones. But you know, maybe they do, maybe they don't. I have to research it. But for now, we're gonna stick with the factory alternator, did big 3, and yeah, we'll continue the installation. All right, my people, got it all. Just let you guys look in the back. Still got that capacitor I had in the old car. I mean, it still works. I mean, it's good for what I need it for. It's good for that amp right there. Yeah, that's going to the back. That's replacing a old Hyphonics amp I had in here for a while. You know, it did what it did, and you know, I wasn't too concerned about sound. I mean, I was, but we gonna go ahead and upgrade that to this Down for Sound amp and to see how it sounds. All right, you guys, got it all put in, got it all installed in the car. Yeah, I like how it looks, man. Got it all tuned, installed in there. Yeah. So let me go ahead and hook the subwoofers up. And, let's give it a test. Let's see how this thing sounds. All right, got it complete. I got some 8-inch trills in here. I mean, they barely fit in here, but yeah, we got the 8-inch trills in here. I had these things for a long time. They still bump. So yeah, let's go ahead and got it all tuned up to see how this sounds in the car. All right, y'all, we're gonna do a demo, man. Let's see how this thing says. Yeah. How this thing do now? Yeah. guys, that was a demo. Hey, that amp sounds pretty good for 2.8s. It don't sound bad in here. One thing, it's a lot punchier. The bass is definitely a lot deeper and punchier compared to the Iphonics I had in here before. So yeah, I mean, does it sound like the Jeep? No, nowhere near the Jeep. You know something? For this Corvette, this is good enough for me. This is something that has some little bump to it. You know, you know, it ain't ridiculous like the Jeep, but for something with a little bump to it, 1200 watts, I mean, not bad. 1200 watts, pretty good. Not no plates at all with this amp. I mean, anybody just want a little bump in their car, and basically, I have, you know, stock alternator and stock system, except I do have an AGM battery, and I did the big 3. But that's it. Other than that, hey, so far it's holding up good. And I do got a little capacitor in the back, but other than that, hey, for a 1200 watt amp, you can't beat this nowhere, man. I'm gonna end this video, and we're gonna end it like this. Get this amp, is all good, it's great to me. That's it, we out. Keep bassing.